Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new here. My name is Michelle. I create beauty content each and every week, and as you can tell by the title of this video, we are testing out the Snoopy and Wet n Wild collection. I'm so excited, but I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into today's video and show you how I created this look. I am so excited to try out this collection. I love Wet n Wild, and I don't use them enough on this channel, and I just don't use them enough now. I don't know why. I think I just kind of took a break from them because I was using them a lot, especially like when I first started getting into makeup. But if you're not aware of this brand, they are drugstore, very affordable and very good quality. So they have quite a bit in this Snoopy and Wet n Wild collection. I did only pick up 3 items. That was a majority of what they had left over at my Ulta. So the first one, which I'm gonna use, is this Peanuts and Wet n Wild lip mask. Their lip mask is really good. I used to use the Laneige lip mask, and it's good. Don't get me wrong, it is good, but this is just equally as good. And I've heard a lot of people compare the two and they say it's a dupe. I would have to agree. Oh, this smells like a sugar cookie. It smells so good. The name of this is Merry Marshmallow, which is so cute. I just love the whole packaging. It's so cute, so adorable. And I'm actually gonna start with this on my lips today. Let's actually just throw it on right now. This is like a clear lip mask and my lips are dry. Very creamy, very light on the lips. They already have like a different like scent and stuff, and it's not part of this collection, but I use this at night right before I go to bed. Just throw it on and it just wake up with like nice soft lips. But this is just so nice, so buttery. And then speaking of lips, I did pick up a lipstick from them. This is the Santa Snoopy color. It's just this beautiful glittery red. I can't wait to use this. I'm gonna use this at the end, but I've heard really good things about this, so very excited. And then of course I had to pick up the palette, I had to pick up the palette. Like, hello, how could I not pick this up? It's absolutely beautiful. It's so cute. I'm so excited to play around with this. However, they do say on the back that not all of these colors or pigments are meant for the eyes. They do like have specific ones that are just like glitter. Like I think this one right here is just a glitter and it's a face pigment, not an eye pigment. So they do have like on the back, like they differentiate which one's which. So just keep in mind that if you're uncomfortable with using those face pigments on your eye, then you might not want to use this because there's quite a bit face pigments. So just something to be mindful of. It does say it on the back right here. But let's go ahead and dive right in. We're going to start with the palette, of course. I'm feeling Christmas holiday. I already have my eyelids prepped and primed. And if you're new here, I always like to do one eye on camera and the other eye off camera. So that's exactly what we're going to do today, just for timing purposes. But I'm actually going to go ahead and start off with this color right here. There are names on the back, but honestly, it's really hard for me to like figure out which name is what. Gonna go ahead and put that right into the crease. A little fun fact, I used to be obsessed with Snoopy when I was younger. I don't know why. I kind of really don't remember the show too much. I do remember always watching like the Thanksgiving episode at school, but other than that, I really do not remember much. I think it was just because Snoopy was so cute and was a cute little dog and did not talk in the show, and I just loved that. I don't know why. Okay, next I'm gonna go ahead and grab this shade right here, this brown one, and then really directing that into the crease. So that pink shade that I was using, I just kind of put that all over like my crease, but this one I'm really getting in there and kind of making this a little bit more defined. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and grab this blue shade right here. It's like a matte blue, and I'm going to kind of like go in with a detail brush and kind of really focus this on the outer corner in my crease. I really don't know where I'm taking this look, but we're taking it somewhere, so we'll see. I'm going back in with that pink shade and just kind of going over on top of that blue. Not on top of it, but like right above it. And then going back into the brown and going right back into the crease, kind of blending that blue and that brown together. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab this black right here and focusing that color right on my outer crease. Okay, this black isn't too pigmented, which is honestly okay with me because it is buildable. Okay, so I think I'm actually going to take this shade right here. It's a green, blue, purple. It has like some like cool flex to it depending on how you look at it. It's very beautiful. I'm actually gonna take that and put it all over my lid. Wow, this color is actually really beautiful on the lid. I'm gonna go back into this black shade and just kind of like bring it in closer to like that green shade, kind of like marrying the two together, and then taking the brown and again just going back into the crease with this. I kind of lost that blue shade and I'm not really mad at it because honestly I don't think it actually was going with this look, so I just kind of covered it up. All right, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and grab this shade right here and put that in the center of my lid. It's gonna be such like a beautiful gold color. I think it's really gonna make this eye look pop. Yep, and it does. Like, this looks beautiful over on top of that shade. Like, we're looking a little bit crazy, but don't worry. It will come all together, especially with foundation and all that good stuff, so don't you worry. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this eye off camera and I'll be right back. I'm actually gonna go ahead and go off camera and do this eye and the rest of my face makeup, and then I'll be right back to try out the lips. I am back and I finished up my face makeup. And we're almost done with the eyes. The only thing I did off camera was added mascara. I also put this brown color and a little bit of a black color on the bottom lower lash line. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take the white shade in here. It's this beautiful sparkly white and it has like little purple flexes in it. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and add that to my inner corner for a little inner corner highlight. Actually, maybe at the brow bone, just for fun. Yeah, it has like this iridescent to it. It's very, very beautiful. And now for the lipstick. I'm so excited to try this. It has like this beautiful sparkle to it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, if the camera will pick it up, but it is very, very beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and actually line my lips with this. Yeah, surprisingly, I do not own a red lip liner, so I'm gonna go ahead and just grab a little brush and just kind of like tap it on here and line my lip with the brush. I'm definitely seeing the sparkle on here already. I feel like this color is looking a little bit more pink on me than red. It could be because I'm using a very little bit amount of this product. So it's like sheared out. I don't know why I'm trying to talk and do this, because it's not working out. I can already tell you that this is going to be sparkly because it's already pulling sparkles like on my lips. So now that I have my lips lined, let's just go ahead and do the rest of my lips. Okay, so this is definitely very sparkly. I definitely feel like the glitter on my lips. I'm not sure if I'm loving that. It is like a beautiful color, but it's not my favorite red. I definitely have other reds that I prefer. I'm not sure if the light is gonna pick up how sparkly this lipstick really is, but it's really sparkly. Honestly, it's not my favorite. This is just personal preference. Like, I'm really not loving it. Personally, I just don't think it looks good on me, but it's not the most horrible thing. This was very affordable, so I'm not even mad that I picked this up, and I probably will use it again, especially because it is like the holidays, and this is, I feel like, a beautiful holiday lip. I just don't know if I like it on me. But overall, I can see why everyone is freaking out over this collection, because this palette is so cute and so pigmented. I do wish they didn't have like the glitters in here, like these two shades right here. They're like, there's nothing else to it. It's just straight up glitter pressed in there, and I don't think, like, if you try to put it on your eye, it's really not gonna happen. So I just wish they didn't do that. Like, to me, that's just like a wasted space. Like, you could just put like another eyeshadow. I do really like this, and I am gonna keep playing around with it, especially with the blues. I'm excited to try out the blues. I just kind of wanted an eye look that went with the red, which of course, red and green, Christmas, hello, had to try it out. And the green in here is absolutely stunning. The only issue, which I personally don't see it as an issue because I do have a lot of like high-end palettes that do this anyways, but there was a lot of kickback and fallout. So if you look really closely on my skin, you might be able to see some like glitter specks on here, and that's from the green eyeshadow that I used. So just keep that in mind. That's also why I do my eye first before I do my foundation. But other than that, I actually really love this collection, and I'm really excited to keep trying this palette out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure you give this one a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And don't forget to subscribe so you stay up to date with all my latest uploads. And as always, I want to remind you that you are beautiful, you are loved, and you are worthy. All right guys, bye.